Katamco Toilet Timer Classic, funny gift for men, husband, dad, birthday, Christmas, stocking stuffer. As seen on Shark Tank. The Katamco Toilet Timer is a quirky and humorous product designed to encourage shorter bathroom visits. Let's break down its benefits, negatives, and overall impression. Benefits. Funny gift. The toilet timer makes for an amusing gift, especially for dads or husbands. It adds a lighthearted touch to the bathroom experience. Time management. By setting a 5-minute limit, it helps manage time spent in the restroom. Health considerations. Prolonged sitting on the toilet can lead to health issues, such as hemorrhoids. The timer encourages users to avoid extended stays. Negatives. Usage probability. The chances of family members or friends consistently using this product are low. It's more of a novelty item. The toilet timer is one of the funniest Shark Tank products. While it may not be a practical timekeeping solution, it serves as a humorous conversation starter and a unique gift idea. If you're looking for something lighthearted and entertaining. Price: $14.99.